Named Entity Recognition, or NER, is a key technology in artificial intelligence that helps computers identify people, places, and organizations in text. It is the foundation for making sense of unstructured information, powering search engines and AI assistants. When you read Elon Musk announce that xAI raised $6 billion from Sequoia Capital in San Francisco, your brain instantly spots names, companies, and locations. NER teaches machines to do the same, automatically tagging the who, where, and how much in any sentence. NER is transforming science and technology. For example, it helps researchers scan millions of scientific papers for gene names or disease mentions in hours, not months. Environmental agencies use NER to track pollution events and endangered species across thousands of reports, guiding real-world decisions. NER recognizes more than just names. It finds dates, monetary amounts, organizations, and locations. In specialized fields, it can spot diseases, genes, or legal terms, adapting to the needs of healthcare, law, or finance. Thanks to modern AI models like BERT, NER now achieves accuracy close to human levels, understanding context and even handling tricky cases like Apple, the company versus Apple, the fruit.